unboxing the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller. First case. Leather on it. It's nice and smooth. It's nice. We got a cord that charges. What's this? Nice. We got like a pamphlet that we can, a nice little pamphlet that we can open. We got some controls. Nice. Looks cool. And everyone wants to see. All right. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Looks so smooth. You can get the trigger stops. Just trigger stops. Adjust them. Probably always going to use them like this. It's cool. It's metallic, so you can swap them out. Just the paddles, you can install those on the back. Looks cool. And just the D-pad. Everything's basically metallic. Everything is basically metallic, so you can swap out D-pads always. So, I mean, looks cool. If we can get this video to 100 likes, I'll do a part 2 where we play with this, where I'll stream this live and play with this controller. Alright, this is Jay Plays. Peace out.